PAVCO's HyProTec Trivalent Chromate provides excellent protection of the electroplated zinc and zinc-nickel coatings, as well as unplated zinc die castings. To maintain the optimum performance of the chromate, frequent analysis is recommended using the following procedure. Pipette a 5 ml HyProTec process bath sample into a 250 ml Erlenmeyer flask. Add 100 ml of deionized water. Then, add 2 grams of powdered sodium hydroxide to the flask and swirl to dissolve. Next, add 2 milliliters of the 30% strength hydrogen peroxide. Boil the solution until all of the peroxide is gone, approximately 30 minutes. Cool the solution to room temperature, then add 10 milliliters of 50% sulfuric acid. Next, add 5 milliliters of 10% potassium iodide. Titrate the solution with a 0.1 normal sodium thiosulfate until the solution changes to a yellow straw color. Add 2 milliliters of a 1% starch indicator solution and continue the titration until the solution changes a transparent clear that persists for at least 30 seconds. To calculate the percentage of HyProTec in the solution, multiply the milliliters of sodium thiosulfate used times the factor of 0.641. For example, if 15 milliliters of the sodium thiosulfate were used, the HyProTec concentration would be 9.6%. For technical questions or to purchase chemical reagents needed to perform this titration procedure, please contact our JSA office at 262-241-3200 or email us at info@jsamc2.com. Thank you.